sewing the hood. I've got the centre panel here and the side hood. I'm putting the right sides together. I've decided that the fluffy side's going to go on the outside, and it's not always the case, it's just up to you. And I'm going to sew 1.5 centimetre seam starting at the top and going around. I'm keeping the curve underneath and these seams on top of each other. 1.5, and remembering to reverse at each end. Pulling the pins out as I get to it. Just playing with to make sure that they're right on top of each other. Using the guide of the machine to check to see that that's 1.5 centimetre seam all the way around. I don't want any pleats in it or crackles in it. And lining them up at the end. Remembering the one I put a little notch at the bottom to say that that's the centre back, so I knew that that was the end to do. And I'm going to do the same for the other side. So again, pinning at right angles, right sides together. So making sure that I've got the fluff the same way round, otherwise I don't want it, you know, one side fluffy and one side not. And pairing it up. I'll line it up at the other end first and just take my time to make sure it's done well. Now sometimes it's better to put the curve underneath and sew on the flat side up the top. So I'm sewing on the centre back panel, which isn't as curved as the other piece, reversing at both ends, and I'm just repeating the same process down here, which I'm going to do exactly the same. Taking the pins out as I get to them, not before them. I'm just realigning it as I go. Clipping my threads as I go. Again. Making sure the threads are clipped. Right, so I've got a 1.5 centimetre seam, and I've got the same for the hood, the other one, which is done as well. I'm going to basically put those two on top of each other now, line them up and sew right through.